Hey guys, this is the Honor 9 Lite hands-on. So first let's start it with major feature of this phone. As you are seeing, these are the main feature of this phone. So now let's get unboxing the phone. As you can see guys, the phone looks more classy with the glossy back panel. So let's keep phone aside and look what we got in the box. So this is the phone back cover which Honor gives free to us. Let's try how phone will look in this cover. Basically it's a plastic cover. It's a good cover which protect your phone from dropping off. And let's see, and another things are in the box are USB cable and power adapter. The power adapter gives you output of a 5 volt to a milliampere. And now let's quickly boot up the phone. As now you can see the back panel of a phone which is glossy black, which looks pretty damn good. Let's quickly set up the phone. As now I am going to quickly add the fingerprint ID. You can see the touch ID is pretty much good and responsive. It's quickly. Phone comes with a hybrid SIM tray in which you can pop up two SIM card or one SIM card, one memory card. Now let's go to the main feature of this phone, Face ID. We are going to quickly set up the Face ID and let's test it how it responds to the various angles of face. Let's try to unlock the phone with Face ID. As you can see that the Face ID is pretty much quick. Let's try it once more. Yes, it is quick. As my phone is a 3GB variant phone and now I am going to play Asphalt 8 Airborne game, and let's quickly I will show you how the phone processor going to respond to it. So enjoy the game. I recorded this game from a third-party screen recorder app, so sorry for the audio quality guys, and enjoy the game. You can see the graphic looks pretty much good on this phone, which is a 3GB variant phone, and the game is about 2GB game, so it does not lag at all. The Honor did pretty much well job with the Kirin processor, so big thumbs up for the Honor. So guys, if anyone want to buy this phone, so definitely you can go with this phone and enjoy the phone. That's it. Thank you. If you love the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, that's it guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. Don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.